Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, give us a huge thumbs up.
Today we are opening Tineco, a vacuum cleaner.
But before we get started, do you see this? Guess what this is? Our beautiful mother!
To clean the house. So the products I always like to open is like my products.
I mean, like, this is
which
like,
helps me
I
at
think,
home. Cleaning, cooking, and today I got a vacuum cleaner.
well, I mean, it's sort
called Tineco S10.
Well, yeah.
This is what I wanted for so long. It was about like 300 now, but I got it for 120 something, which was a good deal from the Walmart. So I am going to open it. The best thing about it was just I was looking something without a cord, so it's cordless with the smart sensor display, which I really wanted to have it. It gives almost maximum 40 minutes vacuum time, and I will show you the features of it.
Look on the back.
And there are the features, as you can see. It is for both it's for the
Upright brush.
actually carpeting and the floor cleaner, so we can use it for both.
Wait, turn it back.
I'm gonna mostly using for my staircase because I have so many.
Many.
Also, like, you know, it is good if you have pads, so it's really good. It's saying the suction is I think it's 120 watt suction, so I think that's good too. The one that I was using, it was good, but I don't know. I wanted to have something without
it's the
cord.
one.
So let's open it. Coming out from the box.
No, give me this one.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
I like it. I can just hang it on the wall. So
I think this is the bottom.
okay.
I think this is something. I think this is the brush.
Okay. These are the extra brushes. I don't want to
There's also this.
strip mine.
There's also this cardboard. There's this.
You don't need that?
This magic. Oh, there's a better. I just pulled it up and it just went. Oh, here we go.
Careful.
All right.
That's it. Hold on.
Oh, second layer.
Really?
Then there's a brush. No. Sorry. I love you. Here's this. And these things. It comes with a wire.
Yeah.
And
That's
then
a charger.
the magnet. No, give me these.
Hold on. Anusha, give it to me. So as we can see, we do have extra brushes
Can I open this?
right over here.
Can we open these?
Extra brushes option. Here are
we
the
start
extension.
Yeah, we're gonna start opening.
Here's the
these
battery.
things.
And let's see what to assemble it. I would like my husband to jump in and help us out as usual. He does everything. Everything. So happy, just hop in.
You don't need this.
I don't think so. We're gonna need a tools for this.
Let's see.
Let's see.
I like my
We're
mom
gonna
so
start
much.
with this
Don't yank him the
one. Maybe we don't need any tools.
No, we don't. It's just gonna be.
It comes with
Fix it
things.
and-
It comes with a like screw.
I could have done that, but my hubby have been spoiled me so much that he doesn't even let me do even small things. Alhamdulillah.
It comes with tools.
Okay.
It comes with tools.
Just put it back.
I put it back. Don't say.
I think that's how it's supposed to
What is this? Do not leave vacuum in an upright position.
That's
the
perfect.
vacuum
Show
may
me.
fall.
Show me, show me, show me, show me.
It says, warning, do not leave vacuum in an upright position. The vacuum may fall over. Please use a wall-mounted lock to store the vacuum. No, I gotta try it out. I
I'm
gotta
gonna
try it
do
out.
this. Hold
I
on.
gotta try it out.
But as long as I'm just pressing it, it's gonna happen. It's not gonna happen by itself.
be. You can lock it, I think. With this.
Okay. Okay, I think.
Some of the extras.
Suck my foot. I'm joking. Excuse me? Hello?
Oh, that's for, I think, for charging stuff.
You might need to.
Yeah, that's like a hanging. So you
Oh.
just put it on the wall and then
What
it
we
hangs.
call that? Oh,
What
It's
is
like a
this?
wall mount, so-
wall mount, yeah.
And you usually keep your system hang like that.
Yeet.
Enough! And Shishanze, please don't do that.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I
So,
have to use
I'm
the
gonna work on
thing.
this. We're gonna decide where we wanna hang it, because that should be the place where we can also use the charging. Okay, and then these are some extras basically. It looks like, I mean, it is. I mean, it's.
Yeet, yeet.
You can make it shorter if you want, I guess. Usually for these stairs, you don't really want to try the long one, so you can make it shorter.
Why is this such a long magazine?
You can connect these directly.
I think
You remove this.
for the walls and sofas, I think this is how. Oh yeah, the sucking is really bad. Good, I like it.
And I think when you're working on these stairs, or if you want to work, like you're cleaning something in the car, you can make it smaller.
Mama, she stabbed the country into my arm.
Weight-wise,
I need
it's very convenient. I think weight-wise, it's fine.
Really nice. I like it. I am just only 110 pounds, so
And
for me,
on
I
the
wanted to have
display
something
it
lighter.
says Clean brush roller, clean filter,
How many
air
pages
clean,
does
air
this
channel.
have?
So it gives you a little bit warning if there's something clogged.
Shanta, guess how many pages
Clean
this
dust
manual has?
sensor. I mean, so it does have a dust sensor.
Yeah.
Overall design, I think it's nice.
Guess.
Yeah,
no.
Once we're gonna
500.
start using it, then we'll
that
let you
kind of
know
best?
how
Yeah.
is the performance. But
You want to change it?
yeah.
that's it for now.
Yeah. Are you ready? Yes.
And we'll catch
You
you
locked in that
in the next
yes.
video.
Yep.
So
Yes.
stay tuned. Please do subscribe our channel,
Yeah.
like our channel, and comment down below what else you.
Oh, sorry. You don't do the intro. I do it. I'm a professional. So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. Bye.
Bye.
See, we were more energetic. Comment down below if we did it better or they did.